Listen, people, you guys are absolutely amazing. A great leader once said, the only way to make things better is to make better things. And you guys have 100% proven that. Vlogmas Day 9. Let's get after it. If you're new around these parts, I'm Doc Rock. Again, we're going to keep the salutation short so we can get right into it. I just got finished doing a 2-hour recap of Vlogmas Day 9 for most of the people that are participating in our Vlogmas Facebook group over in the Let's Get Live VIPs. This group would be about all things video and video making and becoming better creators and doing all of that. But we decided to kick it off with something purely insane. We were going to start out the gate just by doing Vlogmas. As a leader of this group, let me explain something to you about leadership. Leadership is exploring the unknown voluntarily, because if you know it was going to work, then you could just go there. Like, there's nothing scary about it. When I started the group and still was kind of feeling my ways, I had no idea this was going to work. I had no idea we'd get more than the 5 or 6 people and say the Jedi Council and a couple of my other friends from the show would come in and do Vlogmas. And somehow we're sitting at 220 people. And I'm like, yo, I'm about to do something insane. This doesn't make any sense to me. I have no idea where we're going, but anybody want to come? Heartwarming. 220 of y'all decided, okay, I'm coming. A majority of you are putting in work every single day to get better at being a creator, to get better at honing your skills with editing and audio and intro and timing and pace and lighting and camera. You guys know I always say you have to take action. Creativity is an act. You can't just be like, I'm a creative person. You ain't creative if you're not actively creating, and you guys are creating every day. That has me mind blown. I really can't wrap my head around it. I have so many things to say to so many people. I'm going to save all of this for the end. I am deeply moved by the effort that you guys have put in. I'm seeing stars rising out of this. Young Sammy is coming out of here on some Anakin Skywalker type Jedi stuff. I mean, just amazing talent, amazing like energy to just vibe you into his vibe and do things his way, and carving like a very neat niche. Pastor Keith, he always bring the fire, but consistently. Jody, we watched you glow up. You're good. The Wonder Twins out here killing it.
Let me find out. I got some skills.
Mark, who was scared to do this, and she's like out here, got everybody on point, just loving it. Even like people willing to dive in late, like Lola, like, heck, I'm coming in. Let's do it. You know, I can't say enough just watching you guys out here. Orlando, Luis, who's also new to the family, you know, and I just posted today, like, I'm surprised at how many new people just joined the group, and they're like, all right, let's just dive in. And we got cats from everywhere. We got cats from the UK in there, you know, you got people from all over the country in there. Tommy, big ups to you, man. Tommy just kills me every day.
Yeah, okay, because Sheffield is well famous. Sheffield United, you know,
horrible football team
of England, that's another place I can visit, but I'm just going to read this out to you. Okay. Loxley Chase was once a large expanse of open moor and woodland used for hunting after the Norman conquest.
You guys are amazing. So for anyone who's thinking the next time one of these rolls around, and matter of fact, you could dive in now. Tomorrow's day 10. You could dive in right now and still crank out that last 20 videos and win. Here's the thing. You can come in attending to do 100%, but like you only can consistently put out 80. But don't let that get you back, because consistently putting out 80 is better than sitting back at 20% talking about, I don't want to go any further because I can't get that 100, right? I'd rather see the 30s trying to get the 100 than the 20s sitting on the sideline. Or I'd rather see the 10s trying to get to 100 than to see the 20s sitting on the sideline talking about, I'm not going to move because my cameras are not right, or my lighting's not right, or whatever. Felicia, you might get the Let's Get Lively award for tonight. And I'll tell you why. You posted your video. You was one of the first one we critiqued, and we were like, yo, we just gotta bless that audio because everything was great. And you know what she did? She went and fixed the audio while we was critiquing everybody else and reposted that video. Game.
Bumbleclad suit up on fire, man.
Game recognized game. Do not quit. Never get up. Hashtag yellow book. Man, you guys are just fantastic. I'm gonna wrap this up because I've been on microphone all day. RK3 took us for like a 10-mile journey around his house while he talked about not wanting to make a video, and he made a video. You guys are killing me. DJ Strick, thank you for letting me come in and do the critique tonight. I really appreciate you. Alicio, Limwell, Strick, and I appreciate all of you guys for what you have been doing to keep it going and the encouragement of each other in the group. Right? That right there, that changes everything. As we all go back and give our love and support to the Ecamm community from the things that we've learned, you guys are going to be able to help more people. And the more people that gets along, the better it is for all of us. It's better for us. It's better for Ecamm as a software company because they got users out there who are actually putting out good product. It makes other people want to come in. Other people comes in, gives them the ability to make better software. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you with this. I'm gonna be done. Matter of fact, this is gonna probably be one of the weakest edits of my life because I'm literally gonna slap an audio track, an ending, and call it a video because it's that kind of day and I need to get some rest. But here we go. This is it. If you need a pad and pen, write this down. Listen up, folks. We can all do better when we all do better. And so that's what I love about our group. We can all do better when we all do better. And we're doing better. We are doing better. We are the leaders running into the unknown. And we get it right, people are going to follow. I appreciate you guys. Aloha. Mad love. Mahalo.